Buckle up! We're diving into the sky-high world of the F-35's vertical takeoff. The Lockheed F-35 Lightning II isn't just any fighter jet. It's a technological marvel. Imagine a jet that can lift off vertically like a rocket on wings. At the heart of this airborne beast is a lift fan and a swiveling engine nozzle. The lift fan, right behind the cockpit, provides the vertical thrust. Meanwhile, the swiveling nozzle at the back directs engine power downward. Together, they enable the F-35 to soar straight up without a runway. This isn't just a neat trick. The F-35's VTOL capability means it can launch from tiny ships and remote sites. In a world where runways might not always be available, this jet is a game changer. And let's talk about the pilots. Absolute masters of the skies. The skill and precision needed to handle vertical takeoffs and landings are off the charts. So whether you're an aviation geek or just love a good thrill, the F-35's vertical takeoff will leave you breathless. Stay tuned because the future of flight is here and it's taking off vertically.